Of Dayak Kenya, woman is called ta'a. This traditional outfit consists of two main parts, namely the upper part, ta'a, a hat made of vanilla sleeves woven and decorated with beads, bird feathers, tiger fangs, and hornbills. Ta'a symbolizes majesty and dignity. Tete, a top shirt made of woven fabric decorated with Dayak Kenya motifs. Tete symbolizes fertility and prosperity. For the lower part, Afet, a lawn cloth made of woven fabric decorated with Dayak Kenya motifs. Afet symbolizes firmness and strength.
The traditional dress of Dayak Kenya for men is called sape sapak. Sape sapak is a long pants made of woven fabric decorated with the typical Dayak Kenya motifs. Sape sapak symbolizes strength and masculinity. Klempit is a shield made of wood decorated with the typical Dayak Kenya motifs. Klempit symbolizes protection from dangers. Baing, mandau made of iron decorated with typical Dayak Kenya motifs. Baing symbolizes courage and heroism.
From the properties to the movements, it adopts the bird as a whole. The making of the dance with the Enggang bird concept certainly aims to pay respect to the ancestor. But actually, the meaning contained in the dance is not just that. The people believe that this dance describes the story of the Dayak tribe who live on the move. The elements of movement in this dance do illustrate this. Although initially the purpose of creating this dance was to honor the ancestor and as a description of the life of the Dayak tribe, but now there are other changes. The history of the Enggang dance is certainly inseparable from the story of the appearance of ancestors in the Dayak tribe. According to the belief of the Dayak people, the ancestors who eventually developed into the Dayak tribe were in the form of Enggangs. In the story, this bird came down from sky to the earth. The story is believed and continues to develop in the society. Because the ancestors are believed to resemble Enggang, dance with the main components of Enggangs are formed in a various aspects. If this dance used to be performed at events, but now it has begun to be performed at various other events. This is certainly inseparable from the current development of the era. Increasingly, more and more people recognize this dance because it is considered unique and full of deep stories. Therefore, this dance is also easy to find because it is often held or appear in various kinds of events made by the public.